Well, if y'all watched the video that I just put out a little bit ago, it was doing nothing like this. Can you guys hear that? It is sleeting so bad. Let's hope it does not stick. Let's hope it warms back up. But it is just, you guys can't even. It's really hard to see in the camera. You can't even hardly see it. It is just coming down like crazy. I'll try to get a close-up so you guys can maybe see it coming down a little bit. Yeah, it's just coming down like crazy. Worst part is it rained before this, so there's a sheet of ice underneath of all this now. This is going to make for a fun commute home for my husband. And north of us, where my husband is working, they are getting snow, like big, huge flakes. I mean, it is just coming down. Yep, this is, see, it's slushing away, but then there's that layer of ice that's underneath of it. I don't know if you guys just heard that. It was thundering. There's a big thunder.